Welcome to third video in this series of Python tutorial from basic to advanced. Today we will see Python setup and installation. Here are the contents we will discuss today: how to download Python and how to install it, then verifying the installation, whether our Python is installed correctly or not, and we will look into Python IDLE, and we will see other IDEs that are recommended. To download Python, we have to go to official Python website, that is www.python.org. Then click on the latest Python 3 version and download the installer depending on the OS. These steps we will see step by step. You can also open Google Chrome and type install Python. Here this is the official website, www.python.org. click on download Python, and mine is Windows, so I am downloading Python here, latest version, and it will be downloaded. And open that, click on open that folder, and .exe file will be downloaded, and here you will get install now. Click on install now, and here see use admin privileges. Click on this one and add python.exe to Python, and click on install now. It will start installing. Installation will be completed within a few seconds. To verify whether Python is installed correctly or not, open command prompt and run python --version. Here I am typing py -version. If it shows the version number, it means our Python is installed correctly and we are good to go.
Let's see about Python IDLE, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is a simple code editor that comes bundled with Python, so you don't need to install anything extra. IDLE is especially useful for beginners. We can write code, run it immediately, and see the output all in one place. It includes features like syntax highlighting and interactive shell, which help when you are learning. That said, for larger projects or a more powerful development experience, tools like VS Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebooks are often preferred by developers.
IDLE, here we will write programs, we will write and run programs. Here I am just writing simple command that print hello. Okay, yeah, it printed, so we are good to go. And if we want to write some group of instructions and execute this, that also we can do using this. Go to file here and open new file and write some instructions. For example, I'm giving simple commands: print hi, and some x equal to 5, and print x plus 5. Okay, I just save it. I'm just saying some start, and just here run module. So here it executes those commands. So we are good to go with this Python.
That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it helpful. Let's meet in the next session where we will continue learning more about Python. Until then, happy coding. Please like, share and subscribe to Philomath Jen.